The 2026 Shark 6 pickup truck blending technical depth with everyday clarity, Opening shot, Shark 6 parked in rugged outdoor setting. Host on screen, hey everyone. Today we're diving into something really exciting, the 2026 Shark 6, BYD's bold entry into the midsize pickup world. It's a plug-in hybrid that packs serious punch, looks great, and pushes boundaries. Stick around, this might be the coolest new truck you haven't heard of yet. 1. First impressions and purpose. Host voiceover with cut-in shots. Right off the bat, the Shark 6 exudes confidence. It's designed to rival the likes of Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, and Raptor-style trucks with its aggressive stance and sturdy proportions. Measuring 5.46 m long, 1.97 m wide, with a 3.26 m wheelbase, it's big, bold, and unmistakably a truck. 2. Exterior design and flair. Pan across grille and lighting elements. Host voiceover, styled under design guru Wolfgang Egger. The Shark 6's front grille is sharp and full with LED bars, a light bar grin that echoes a Shark's open mouth. The side profile is boxy but balanced, with muscular wheel arches and bold surfacing. At the rear, a horizontal LED tail bar reminiscent of a Shark's tail fin ties it all together. 3. Hyundai level hybrid power. Host standing by engine bay. Open the bonnet and it's no typical diesel. The Shark 6 uses a smart plug-in hybrid PHEV setup, 1.5L turbocharged petrol engine, mainly as a generator. Dual electric motors, 170 kW 310 nanometers front, 150 kilowatts 340 nanometers rear. Combined output, 321 kilowatts 430 HP and 650 nanometers torque. That power sends you 0 to 100 kilometers h in 5.7s supercar fast in truck terms. The 29.6 kilowatt-hour Blade LFP battery gives a respectable 100 kilometers EV-only range, and total range reaches 800 to 840 kilometers. 4. Fuel efficiency and eco-cred. Host voiceover with stats overlay. When the battery is charged SOC 25 to 100%, claimed fuel use dips to 2L 100 km, breathtakingly efficient for a big pickup. Even when low on battery, it's still about 7.5 to 7.9 L 100 km. That's enough to make your wallet and the planet both a bit happier. 5. Chassis and off-road cred. Show suspension, terrain modes. Host voiceover. The Shark 6 uses double wishbone independent suspension front and rear in trucks, more common in SUVs. Ground clearance is around 200 to 230 mm, approach angle 31 degrees, departure 19 degrees, and breakover 17 degrees. Plus, 3 terrain modes: mud, sand, and snow with hill hold, descent control, auto hold so it can handle actual adventure. 6. Towing, payload and utility. Host standing at the bed, time for work talk. The Shark 6 can tow up to 2,500 kilograms and haul 790 to 835 kilograms payload. Bed volume runs 1,200 L, 1,450 L, ideal for weekend gear, toolboxes, or camping setup. Bonus, vehicle to load V2L function to power appliances straight from the bed, perfect on site or off-grid. 7. Interior and tech. Interior shots, screens, cabin layout. Host voiceover, step inside, and BYD blends rugged and luxury. You get rotating touchscreen 12.8 standard or 15.6 premium. 10.25 digital driver screen, optional 1.2 head-up display. NFC digital key, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charger, Bluetooth, voice control. 1.2 speaker Dynaudio system, premium finishes, reclining rear seats 27 degrees. It's cushy without feeling precious, tough enough for work but civilized enough for daily life. 8 safety and ADAS. Host walk around with overlay. The Shark 6 is smart. 2, 7 SRS airbags, ISOFIX anchor points. Autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep and departure assist, adaptive cruise control, 360 degrees camera, fatigue monitoring, cross-traffic alert. All packed into a body-on-frame chassis with high-strength steel for crash protection. 9 pricing and warranty. Host voiceover with chart. In markets like Mexico and Australia, the Shark 6 starts around US 50, 54K, undercutting rivals like Ranger XLT or Hilux SR5. In Pakistan, it's rumored at PKR 7 to 11,025,000, 38K USD. Bid backs it with a 6-year 150,000 kilometers vehicle and 8-year 160,000 kilometers battery warranty. 10 real-world feedback. Host voiceover with owner's clip. Owner case, Wayne from Australia switched from a diesel pickup. He gets Panasonic solar-powered charging under 2-day, vs 13 to 14-day on diesel. He loves the tailgate outlets and smart usability but wonders about long-term resale in a shifting EV market. 11 pros and cons summary. Host on-screen summary graphics. Pros: insane acceleration 5.7s. 100 km EV-only range. Huge total range 800 km. Strong towing and payload 2,500 kg 835 kg. Independent suspension equals better ride. Premium cabin, ADAS, V2L tech. CONS bid brands still building trust in some regions. Towing less than some diesel rivals like 3.5T. PHEV infrastructure still catching up. Long-term resale and support.